Hello, and today I'm gonna show you my Minecraft hut, or bungalow, whatever you wanna call it. Just go in. Just playing offline for this one, don't wanna waste time signing in. There is my hut. There's my swimming pool, which I'm working on. It was actually there when I got here. As you can see, I got a half spiral staircase thingy, sorta. And my house is basically just made out of different types of woods and different types of wool, colored wool. I got 3 large chests just for, say, food, armor, weapons, tools. Got an ender chest because they have certain abilities, which I have no time to explain now. What else? Just check if it's daytime. Nope. Let me go back to my bed. Okay, let's go there. Okay, yeah, once again, my swimming pool, still working on that. As I said, I built the house before I built anything. And here's my secret laboratory. I'm sorry for the graphics, I don't know why everything's like green and messed up. Well, a little tint of green, but basically I just got cauldrons of water to fill the glass bottles with. And the glass bottles go in the chests, and I can use the chest to hold things that I can brew with the glass bottles of water to make potions. So this is basically just my potion making lab. I will have other underground things like storage rooms, underground water supply, underground gardens, stuff like that. I'll probably have it in my next episode. As I said, this is my first episode. I will have my own YouTube channel. I don't know, haven't had the details yet, but as soon as I do have the details, I will tell you guys in my second video, and you can give them to your friends, whatever. You can email me, as I said on my channel, I'll give my email in descriptions and stuff. You can email me on what videos you would like, say how to do stuff. You want me to build stuff, anything. I'm easy. I can build almost anything and in quick succession, so I don't really take a lot of time. I mean, this took me, say, 30 minutes to build everything. Yes, so I was just playing around with some fireworks. What else? I have a pink roof. Still don't know why I chose pink wool. I guess every other color was pretty boring and bland. But as I said, get as many people to follow me. I will soon have a Facebook page, YouTube, Twitter. Yeah.